my honorable brothers and sisters. I am Mr. Amir Hamza of India. मैं हिंदी लैंग्वेज में बोल रहा हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। First of all, we praise Almighty Allah, who has given us two eyes and who has given us a head, who has given us a lot of wisdom and knowledge. So, we earn money in the world. My friends, Aqimus salat wa atu zakat. Aqimus salat wa atu zakat. People of Assam pray. People of India pray or read salat. People all over the world pray. Allah says in the Holy Quran, Aqimus salat. That means established prayer. Must be read salat, namaz. If you do not read salat, if you do not pray, will burn in hell. Will burn in hell for 28.8 years. Nauzubillah. So, my brothers and sisters, listen my YouTube videos very well and thank you all. Wa khairu dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.